Good morning. Good morning. Hello, good morning, Jammer Vlogger. How are you? Good morning, Mega Love Shoutout, Jammer Vlogger. Thanks sa patamsak. Good morning. Kamusta na? Kamusta? Lagi ka nagla-live sa FB. Hindi ako makapunta kasi nga, lagi ako naka-live. Araw-araw ako nag-live kasi nga, nabawasan kanina yung aking WhatsApp 2K na. Tapos ngayon, 1992 na lang. 8 lang nawala. Nag-live ako kagabi sa Facebook page ko. Dami kong viewers. Wow! Talaga? Hindi ako makapunta sa iyo eh. Kasi nga, ano nga yun, sa live, naka-live ako ko noon. Sa naka-live ako nung ano ka. Chef Ibrahim Vlog, good morning. Assalamualaikum. Assalamualaikum salam. Thank you so much. Chef Ibrahim, like that. Thank you so much, Chef Ibrahim. Teka. Awan na. Ikaw yung nakita ko kanina. Kaninong live yun? Wait a minute. Oh, thank you. Good morning. Mega love shoutout, Chef Ibrahim. Yan. I will back to you. Comment my video, Chef Ibrahim. I back to you after my live. This afternoon. This live is after long live. Yeah, thank you, Chef Ibrahim. Sige, thank you, Gemma Vlogger. Bigyan kita ng jacket, Chef Ibrahim. Yan po. This are jacket to you, Chef Ibrahim. You are Pakistan. Okay. I'm from the Philippines. Yeah, shout out, Gemma Vlogger said, Pops Prince. Nandito si Pops Prince, Gemma Vlogger. Yan. Chef Ibrahim. Hindi. Mamaya kulang to. Dahil na ibabayad ko kasi. Gawa ng ano. Kaya mamaya magbabayad pa kay Winnie. Thank you. Shout out po. Sorry. Jammer Vlogger said, Chef, thank you, Chef Ibrahim. You have a moderator, Chef Ibrahim. My channel supports me. Yes, I will support you after my live. The main channel is using my live. And after this, I will please comment my video and I will back to you. Chef Ibrahim. Thank you so much, Chef Ibrahim. Thank you so much. Wow, you are chef. You are cooking. Chef Ibrahim Vlogs. Thank you so much. I support you also after my live. Please comment all my videos and I will support you after my live. And I will comment and I will comment to you. You're my new friend. Thank you so much. You're a new friend. Yeah. Thank you. You're also my new friend. Thank you for coming to my live, Chef Ibrahim. And also I will support your and also your video after my live. Thank you so much, Chef Ibrahim. You are Pakistan. You love cooking. I hope. I know. Ayan. You are chef. You love cooking already. And also, 5 viewers, mega